Welcome guys. In this video we will take a look at the drawing section of Home tab. Now if you see here, there is nothing on this canvas. It is totally empty slide. Okay, and here you will see that some of the option in the drawing section is not enabled. It is grayed out. It is not usable right now. This is because we don't have any shape here in our canvas. Okay, and if I just create or draw any shape here in our main canvas, you'll see that all of this option will enable again. Okay, now in order to create any shape or move any object to this canvas, just click on any shape. If I just click on this rectangle, okay, and I will draw a rectangle here. Okay, make sure just click on rectangle and draw a rectangle here. You can see all of the option enabled right now. Okay, now this is our rectangle, and if you want to create ellipse, you will just click here. Right now if you see, it is creating oval, and if I just press on shift, you'll see this oval will change into perfect circle. Okay, so if you want to create perfect circle, make sure you press on shift while creating the ellipse. Okay, like this. And here first of all I will decrease its size. Yeah, that's fine, I think. Yeah, now here if I just click on this icon, you will see all the shapes available in PowerPoints. Now these are the recently used shapes. These are the line shape, these are rectangle shapes, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow charts, stars and banners, call out, action buttons. Now we will find all the shapes which we gonna use in our presentation. Now these are all the basic shapes. Okay, and if you don't find some shapes, okay, for example if you want to create your own custom shape, you'll just click on this freeform. Okay, now you can create your own custom shapes here like this. Okay, it is freeform, you can create your own custom shapes. Okay, you can create any shape here, and if you want any curve in your shape, just click on this curve. Now if I just click here, right now you will see it is straight line, but if I just click here, now if I move, you can see we just created a curve here. It is smooth edge right now. Okay, you can create these kind of shapes here very easily. The next thing I will show you, first of all I will remove this ellipse. Okay, now you can write text in any of the shape. For example, if I want to write text in this shapes, what I will do, I will just click on this text box and I'll click here. Okay, now I can write my text. For example, if I write text, you can see I can write my text and I can increase the size and do stuff like that. Okay, using the font option. Okay, now one more shape which I will show you here is if I just click on this more icon, this bracket tool, left brace. Okay, if I draw this is our bracket. Now if I just click on this format and I will click on shape outline, I will select black color, and again I will click on shape outline, and in weight I will increase the weight so you can see it clearly. Again I will go to my home tab. Okay, now here if I just click on this yellow circle, okay, and I drag it, you can see now our bracket is in straight line. Okay, instead of having smooth edges, it have sharp edges. Okay, now we can use this in many ways. For example, if I want to point something or if I want to sectionize something, I can use this bracket. For example, again if I just double click here, I will edit my text here, random shapes. Okay, now these are the random shapes, so I will put this shape here and this one here. You can see we're gonna do stuff like this here. Okay, other thing here we can do is we can increase the outline of our shape. If I just click on format and make sure you select any shape, if I just click on shape outline, you can see we can increase the outline of our shape. Okay, like this. You can change the color of your outline, you can do lots of cool stuff here. Okay, other thing here I will show you is if I just go to the home. Okay, the next option here you will see is this arrange. Now what this arrange is, if I just click here, the first thing here you will see is order object. Okay, now consider this all the object as layer. Okay, if I just create another shape, now this lays at top of all this shapes. Okay, you can see if I just change its color, I'll go to format, shape fill, and I'll select something like this. You can see this shape is on top of all of this shape. Okay, now if I just click on this arrange and I click on the send backward, it will move this shape one step backward. And if I just click on this send to back, it will move this shape at the end possible. Okay, you can see it is at the end of all the shape. You can see it is at the back of all of the shape. And if I just click on this bring forward, it will move forward this shape one step. Okay, you can see it is at the back of these shapes, it is at the front of these shapes, and it is at the back of all of these shapes. And if I just click on the bring to front, now it is at the front of all of the shapes. Okay, the next thing here you will do, I have selected all of these shapes. Next thing here you will do, you can align your shape. Okay, first of all I will show you how to distribute horizontal. I'll move this shape little bit here, and this one here, and this one here. Now you can see it is not distributed evenly. So if I just select all of the shape and click on arrange alignment, and if I just click on distribute horizontally, you can see all of these shapes are distributed horizontally equally. And if I just click on align distribute vertically, now you can see all of the shapes is distributed vertically. Okay, other thing here you can see we can align our object, we can align left, we can align center, we can align right, align top. Okay, now if I just click on the align middle, you can see all of the shapes will align in straight line in middle. Okay, now it is very important if you want to create professional slides presentation. Okay, so aligning your object and shape is very important. Other thing here you can see you can rotate your shape. Okay, I will select one shape this time. Okay, if I just click here rotate, I can rotate it. Okay, you will not understand it right here. If I just select this shape, if I rotate, you can see we can rotate our shape here. Okay, the next thing here we got is quick style. Okay, now quick style is very similar to quick style in paragraph. If I just click on this quick style, we have some quick style which we can apply to our shape. But here's another option I will show you later. Okay, there is much better ways to add quick style to shape. I will show you in our upcoming videos. The next thing here you'll see is shape fill. If I just click on shape fill, I can change the fill color of our shape. Okay, we can just select the eyedropper tool and select any other color like this. Okay, next thing here you'll see shape effects. If I just click on effect, you can see we have bunch of effects here. Okay, we can add bevel, we have bunch of options here. We can reflect our stuff here like this. But there's another way which we can add the shape effects. If I just click on this icon here, format shape, you'll see it will open another panel here. Now here using this panel I can add effects and do lots of stuff to my shape. Okay, first of all, if I just expand this fill option here, you'll see we can change the no fill to, we can change this to solid fill, we can add gradient color here. Okay, we can add picture or texture file here, we can add pattern file here. Okay, like this. We can add slide background fill here. Okay, other thing we can add lines here. You can see this line, we can add gradient color to this line. Okay, you can now change this, we can change color here. Okay, you can add more gradient, you can change color, you can change the direction of your gradient, you can do lots of cool stuff here. And if I just go to the second option, we can add different effect here. We can add shadow effect here. First of all, I will change this to solid fill. We can add lots of effect here. For example, we can add shadow effect here. Okay, we have different kind of shadow effect, you can see. And I can increase and decrease the transparency of my shadow. We can increase and decrease the size of my shadow. Okay, next here you will see is we can add reflection to our shapes. First of all, I will decrease or remove the shadow. I don't want any shadow here. Okay, we can add reflection, we can add glow to it. Okay, we can add different kind of glow. If I just select this, again we also have other option like size of glow, transparency of glow. Okay, if I just decrease the transparency, like this. Okay, we can do lots of cool stuff here. Okay, so you can edit your shapes here, we can modify our shape here, we can add soft edges here. Okay, we can soften the edges of our shape here. If I just select 25 point, we can do like this. Okay, I will select no soft edge. You can also make your shape 3D. Okay, like this. Okay, you can do lots of cool stuff. Now I don't use this 3D option that much. Other thing here you will see is 3D rotation. Okay, you can rotate your shape in 3D mode. Okay, like this, and we can just move it like this. You can do lots of cool stuff here. Okay, so always open this format shape. If you want to modify or design your shape, you can just easily do it here. Okay, you can change its color, you can even increase the size and other properties of your shape. Okay, I can do lots of cool stuff. I can move my shape here, I can add text boxes, you can do lots of cool stuff here. Okay, so thank you for watching.